applications. Now, so why? Because is when you go to that organizations, okay, when you go to that organizations, for example, come to a general scenario, let me explain. Assume that, for example, I'm having a supermarket business. I'm having a supermarket business. As part of my business, we are having so many departments are available. Like we are having a vendor management department. What this vendor management department will do, now these people's main job is they have to collect the various vendors. Because if I'm providing some products to the supermarket, that means all these products we are manufacturing. No. In our supermarket, I'm providing some vegetables, some fruits, grocery items, electronic items, wardrobe, so many things. But all these things we are manufacturing. No. These are not manufacturing by ourselves. Fruits we are collecting from a different vendor. And the vegetables from a different vendor. Grocery items from different vendors. Electronic items from different vendors. And then wardrobes from different vendors. So we are collecting the items, all this from the different vendors or different distributors, and we are placing all the items at one place so that the customer can come to my supermarket, they can buy all the items, whatever they want, at one shot. For that reason here, to collect all the vendors' information, nothing but the people who are going to be providing the items, those claims information they will collect, those vendors' information they will collect. Now, after that, we are having the sales department. So now inside my supermarket, we are having so many sales people are available who are going to be keep on selling out the products here. They're generating the bills and everything. We are having the finance department who are taking care of the financial responsibility. That means how much revenue we have generated, so how much amount we need to pay to the vendors, everything. So now how many items we have collected from this vendor, everything will be taken care by the finance team. And then we are having the HR department. So we are having the various departments are available as part of my supermarket business. Now, as part of this vendor management department, to store all this information, to manage this vendor related information, we are using a Java application. We are using a Java-based application to automate all the vendors' information. So today, how many products we have collected from this vendor? So what is the quantity? What is the price of each and every item? And this from the second vendor, how many items we have collected? Everything we can able to automate this whole information by using a Java application. For the sales-related information, we are going to maintaining by using an SAP application. And the finance related information we are managing by using the Salesforce application. HR related information we are using some Oracle or some Microsoft document by using the Microsoft document based application. That means what in each and every department we are using some different application which has been developed by using the different programming languages. As part of this vendor management department, I'm using a Java application. As part of sales department, SAP application. For the financial automation, Salesforce application. For the HR automation, MS.NET based application. That means different applications we are using. But at the end of the day, I need a consolidated report. But at the end of the day, I need a consolidated report that how many items we have collected from the different vendors. What is the stock initially today morning? How many items are available in my supermarket today morning here? And then by end of the day, so now I need a consolidated report. Right now, how many items are available right now? How many items, how many products we have sold out? How much revenue we have generated? How many employees are working right now? Everything I want that complete automation. So at that time, what needs to be done? We have to provide the interaction between these applications. What are the applications that we have built? So between these applications, we have to provide the interactions over here. These applications should be tagged to each other. If these applications are tagged to each other, then only we can able to collect the consolidated information from all these applications, and then we can able to generate a final report to the product. It may be daily report, weekly report, monthly report also. Now, so in this case, what happened? I need a consolidated report. By end of the day, I want a report. How many items you have collected from the vendors today morning? And then how many items are right now available in my store? How many items we have sold out? How much revenue we have generated? How many customers has visited? So everything I need to track. I want an automated process. I want a consolidated report. At that time, so we need to collect the data from the Java application, SAP application, and the Salesforce application, .NET application, and then I need to generate a consolidated report. So for that reason, we need to make these applications to get communicate with each other. Even though these applications are the different application, disparate systems which have been built by using some different programming languages, I need to make these applications can tap each other. For that reason, we are going to be using this integration. So that normally when coming to a business, we are not only using a single application to automate the entire business process, we are going to be using different applications, and we need to make those applications to be get integrated to make it as a whole, to make it as a single. So for that reason here also, we are going to be using different applications, and we can make it integrated with each other. These are the various scenarios which came into that integration features, which especially enforce you to go to that integration. Don't expect if you're having multiple departments, everybody is using the same application, not like that. Department wise, they're using some different applications. Like for example, let me give you one small scenario. When you go to the bank, bank is offering two types of services to you basically here. One is core banking services, like as account opening, deposit, withdraw facility, checkbook facility, online banking, DD facility. These are all they're implementing through core banking. Second one, mortgage facility. Mortgage facility. Mortgage means what? Loans. So now in this case, what happened? The bank people are using the two different applications over here. For the core banking, the bank people are using that Finacle. Finacle is a product which has been developed by the Infosys. It's a product of Infosys. Each and every banking organization, private banking sector, also government banking sectors also. Everybody is using Finacle in India. And then for the loans, they are going to be using a product called as FinOne. FinOne is a separate product which has been especially designed for the loans processes. Especially for the loans processes, the people are using FinOne is the product. Finacle is for core banking, FinOne is for mortgage. That means what? In the banking also they are using different products. For the loans process, they are using FinOne. For the basic core banking services, they are using Finacle. So in this case, even though these two are different applications, these two will be integrating because the customer is taking so many loans. Whenever I'm opening the customer record, I can see all my loans information also. What are the loans that I have taken from different banks? Okay, what is the outstanding amount? And then what are the credit cards that I'm utilizing? Everything we can able to see in one shot. How? Because these applications are integrated with each other. Whenever you are logging into your banking application, I can see my loans information also. What are the various loans that I have? What kind of loans that we have? Personal loan, jewelry loan, home loan, everything will be getting listed out. But loans information is inside that FinOne application. But that will be we can access through Finacle. So in this case, what happened? Even though when coming to the organization, we are having the different departments. In each and every department, we are using some different applications. Those applications we can able to integrate here. In this kind of situations, integration is a mandatory feature everywhere. You can go with any organization, definitely they will be having the integration facilities. So that here, integration is a feature which is used to make the two applications can talk to each other, two applications can communicate with each other. Now, so now here in this case, now let's see what exactly the integration, what are the various ways are available to do the integration. When coming to the integrations, Whenever if you want to do the integration, we have two ways are available. Okay, we have two ways to integrate the Salesforce with the third-party systems. Whenever we are integrating that Salesforce with some external systems, we have two ways are available. Okay, we have two ways are available to integrate that Salesforce application with some external systems. Now, so in this case, whenever we are going to be integrating that Salesforce with any third-party systems, we have two ways are available to integrate that Salesforce with some external systems over there. Now, what are those? First one is without coding, nothing but declarative integration. Declarative integration. Second one, programmatic integration. Programmatic integration. Declarative integration means what? Whenever you are integrating Salesforce with some third-party applications. Whenever you are integrating the Salesforce with the third-party applications, okay, we have two ways are available: declarative and programmatic. Declarative means what? Without coding. Without coding, we can able to integrate that Salesforce with the third-party systems. Second one, with the coding. Okay, with the coding, we can able to integrate that Salesforce with the third-party systems. Then what do you mean by declarative? That means without writing any code, without using any programming languages, without using any APIs, just by using some mouse clicks also, we can able to integrate Salesforce with some third-party systems. Then how can we do that over here? How can we implement declarative integrations? Declarative integration can be implemented with the help of two ways. The first one is by using integration tools.